Okay, it's Luxury Fred and I've arrived in Rome. Let me give you a tour of my room here at the Sofitel Villa Borghese, room 612. So we are right in the heart of Rome, right near the Spanish Steps and things like that. Again, this is the Sofitel Villa Borghese here in Rome. And I have a deluxe room with a beautiful view and a beautiful terrace outside. So first we have this kind of entry foyer with a big closet over there. A nice little table and chairs here. Cool little Roman nightstands. Big, comfortable bed. Got over here, we have the mini bar set up and things like that. Nice flat screen TV. Nice big work desk here. I love the kind of the Roman style with the way that the legs are there. Work desk there. Another little nightstand over there with a Bose sound wave player. Show you the bathroom. Very nice, very luxurious. Nice marble mosaic on the floor. We've got our bidet and our toilet, and then the shower and a big soaking bathtub over there. And a little extra luxury touch, we have a nice rain shower head on the shower there. And let me show you the best feature of this room is this nice big patio or terrace. And you can see we're on facing the front of the hotel, and that behind the trees is the Via Borghese. We are on Via Lombardia, again right near the Spanish Steps, which are just down that way. And I think that's Via Borghese, the gardens there. I remember that from last time when I stayed at Hotel Eden, you could see that. But we have this very cool terrace overlooking the city, or overlooking the neighborhood. And it's a bit colder here than Milan. Milan was nice and warm, and it's a little cool and rainy here in Rome. Again, you can see all the way down the street there. Again, the Sofitel Villa Borghese here in Rome. Very nice hotel. And one more cool thing I wanted to show is here at the Sofitel Villa Borghese in Rome, we have very nice Hermes toiletries in the bathroom. Very fancy. And I love the way Hermes toiletries smell. They all have a unique smell to them. It's very nice. Okay, so while I was filming, they just brought up this nice little amenity. Look at that. And if you know me, you know my favorite pastry is macaroons. And look at those macaroons in there. And some fresh fruit, raspberries and strawberries. That's pretty much everything I like right there. A nice little note from the hotel manager as well. Sofitel Villa Borghese. So here's the breakfast buffet here at the Sofitel Villa Borghese. Some nice food. Some the bread over here. Again, this is the breakfast buffet here at the Sofitel Villa Borghese. There we have bacon and things like that. Potatoes, bacon, some grilled vegetables. See all that? But the best thing about the breakfast here at the Villa Borghese Sofitel in Rome is the view. So let me show you that here. The best thing is out here. Look at this. Okay, so look at the view we have Again, this is the 7th floor terrace restaurant here at the Villa Borghese, Sofitel Villa Borghese here in Rome. And you can see that we are surrounded by this little park and beyond. And I think Villa Borghese, the actual villa, the mansion, the Borghese mansion, is obviously somewhere right around here. But excuse me, I'm not 100% sure. And I think, again, that big dome is St. Peter's, and that's the Vatican over there. And this is where they serve breakfast for the hotel, but they also serve, it's also a restaurant, obviously, with these spectacular views. You can see this is the side of the hotel we're on. It goes down there.